Hi, I'm John McCaffrey. I'm Business Development Manager here at Starbank. We're a family-run and owned business established in 1976. We currently operate from a 116,000 square foot manufacturing facility. We provide an outsourcing service to the interior fit-out industry. So that's everything from lamination, edge banding, CNC fabrication, fire door manufacture, postforming, you name it, we offer it. So James Latham are a big part of what we do here at Starbank. Our supply chain is very important to us. It's a very fast-paced environment, and at times we need product support. That could be technical support, it could be sales support. One of the key reasons why we use James Latham is that they understand our business, and as it's very fast-paced, having the ability to be able to place an order and have one delivery turn up with such a variety of product, from core material to door blanks to thermoplastics to decorative panels, is a godsend. So there isn't such a thing as a typical day at Starbank. One day we might be using birch plywood, the next day we're using Egger MFC, the next minute we're using Egger laminate. It could then be a Kydex thermoplastic. All these products are available to us from James Latham. For example, we've just finished what was our largest order to date as a company, which was a major fit out in London using Xylocleaf MFC. If you'd like to know more about Starbank and what we offer as a business, please visit our website at starbank-uk.com. If you'd like to know more about James Latham and their product offerings, please visit lathamtimber.co.uk. It's an interesting market at the moment, and we look forward to continuing our relationship with James Latham and what the future may hold.